और इस वक्त सोनिया गांधी की तस्वीरें हम दिखा रहे हैं आपको। उनके घर के बाहर की तस्वीरें हैं ये। करारी हार मिली है दिल्ली में और बाकी जगहों पर भी जो हाल था वो निराशाजनक रहा है। अभी इस वक्त सोनिया गांधी बोल रही हैं, हम सीधे आपको वहां पर लिए चलते हैं।
It goes without saying that we are very, very disappointed at the results, but we accept the verdict of the people in all humility. We congratulate our opponents for winning the elections. I think we are still rather hopeful for Chhattisgarh, but we don't know just yet. I also would like to thank all our workers, because not only at the state level but also from other states, they participate in the campaign and they worked very hard everywhere during this campaign. Naturally, this result calls for deep introspection. We have to understand, to look at the many reasons for these defeats. We have to look into the way we took or did not take well enough our message to the people. And also we have to look at the way our own party is equipped or not so equipped, not so well equipped in running an election. Of course, there will be a number of reasons for this defeat. I know that many were complaining. I mean, people are unhappy. Otherwise, they wouldn't have given such results. But perhaps price rise also was an issue that was affecting people. I mean, in states like Rajasthan, we all thought that our Chief Minister had run some very, very good programs. So there again, it's a question mark. But even in Delhi, even though we have been in government for 3 terms, I do believe that a great deal of work was done. But obviously, the results tell us something else. We will introspect seriously, and we will take all necessary actions to rectify our mistakes or our way of functioning. General elections are quite different. People in state elections, they focus on the personality at the state level, at the leader who's likely to lead them and govern at the state level. For a national election, then people look at the person who's likely to guide them and govern them at the national level. The issues will be slightly different, because at the state level, issues are localized. At the national level, they are national issues.
The prime ministerial candidate for the Congress party is your son Rahul Gandhi. And do you think the Congress party should make that announcement, or do you feel now that you have learned some lessons and you all will retract your statement on that?
Well, we have not, which statement? We have not made it.
It's understood that he will be leading the party.
Well, the party has to decide. The party will decide. At the opportune time, the party will decide.
But you have Narendra Modi against you. You have Narendra Modi against you. How are you going to work in for the Congress party? You have Narendra Modi as a prime ministerial candidate.
I think people need not worry. At the opportune time, the prime ministerial candidate, the name of him will be announced.